The DJI Mini 6 Pro could end up being one of the most ambitious upgrades DJI has ever attempted in its compact drone family, because the latest rumors point toward improvements in almost every area that matters to creators, from a camera and flight time to tracking, obstacle avoidance, and transmission. What makes the story even more interesting is that DJI may be trying to squeeze all of that technology into a drone that still stays below the crucial 249-gram mark, which would be an impressive engineering achievement by itself. Before we get into everything that could be changing, leave a comment and tell me which upgrade matters most to you in a compact drone. Better image quality, longer battery life, smarter tracking, stronger obstacle avoidance, or more professional camera controls. The reason DJI's Mini lineup has become so popular is simple. It gives creators a surprisingly capable aerial camera without forcing them to carry around a large, heavy aircraft, and in many parts of the world, staying below certain weight thresholds can also simplify how the drone fits into local regulations. You can throw a Mini into a backpack, take it hiking, travel with it more easily, and still capture footage that would have required a much larger drone only a few years ago. But that success creates a difficult problem every time DJI starts developing the next generation. How do you add more advanced sensors, bigger batteries, better cooling, stronger processors, and professional camera hardware without turning the Mini into something that is no longer very mini? Based on the rumors circulating right now, DJI may have found some clever ways to push the platform forward without abandoning the basic formula. And the camera could be where the biggest change begins. Several reports suggest DJI may continue using a large 1-inch class sensor while potentially moving toward a stacked sensor architecture. And although that sounds like the kind of technical specification most buyers would normally skip over, it could have a very noticeable effect on real-world footage. A stacked sensor can read image information much faster than a conventional design, which can help reduce one of the most frustrating problems in digital video: rolling shutter. If you have ever watched drone footage where vertical buildings appear to lean during a fast pan, or where the entire image seems to bend or wobble when the camera moves quickly, that is the type of distortion rolling shutter can create. A faster sensor readout could reduce that effect considerably, making rapid movement look cleaner and more natural. For creators filming cars, motorcycles, cyclists, sports, boats, or any kind of fast-moving action, that can make the Mini 6 Pro far more useful. You could still carry an extremely small aircraft almost anywhere, but the footage might begin to look more like something captured by a much larger professional drone. Then there's a possibility that has probably attracted the most attention: 6K video. Some leaks suggest the Mini 6 Pro could finally move beyond 4K and offer recording at 6K resolution. And for creators, that is useful for reasons that go far beyond simply having a larger number on the specification sheet. Shooting at a higher resolution gives you much more freedom once you reach the editing timeline. You could crop deeper into a shot, reframe the composition, stabilize shaky footage, or create digital camera movement while still exporting a sharp 4K final video. That extra flexibility can be incredibly valuable when you only have one chance to capture an aerial shot and cannot simply send the drone back into exactly the same position later. But there's a major problem DJI would need to solve, and that is heat. Recording high-resolution footage requires a lot of image processing, and image processing generates thermal energy. A compact drone weighing less than 249 grams does not have much room for large heat sinks, fans, or elaborate cooling systems, especially when every gram has to be carefully accounted for. So even if 6K recording arrives, expecting unlimited 6K capture at extremely high frame rates may be unrealistic. A more believable implementation could involve longer recording at 6K 30 frames per second, while higher frame rate modes might have shorter recording limits or require reduced resolution. Even with those limitations, though, 6K would represent a significant step forward for DJI's Mini family. But perhaps the most interesting camera rumor is not about resolution at all. The Mini 6 Pro could reportedly gain a mechanical variable aperture, and that would be the kind of upgrade that actually changes how people shoot rather than simply improving the final image. Exposure control has always been one of the compromises of smaller drones. When you are flying in bright sunlight and try to maintain a particular shutter speed for natural-looking motion, you often have to use ND filters. That works well, but it also means choosing the right filter before takeoff. And if the lighting changes dramatically while you're flying, you may have to bring the drone back, land it, swap filters, and launch again. It is not a disaster, but it interrupts the creative process, wastes battery life, and can cause you to miss a moment that may never happen again. Some rumors suggest a Mini 6 Pro could solve part of that problem with an adjustable aperture, potentially ranging somewhere around f/1.7 to f/11. If DJI actually delivers something close to that, pilots could alter the amount of light entering the camera while the drone is still in the air. Imagine starting a flight in bright sunlight, moving toward a shaded landscape, and adjusting exposure without touching the drone or changing a filter. That would give creators much more control over how an image looks and make the Mini significantly more adaptable to changing conditions. Mechanical aperture systems have traditionally been associated with larger and more expensive drones, so bringing one into the Mini lineup would be a major statement. More importantly, it would be one of those upgrades that makes a genuine difference during everyday shooting instead of existing purely for marketing. DJI may also be improving what happens after the sensor captures the image. Rumors point toward a new generation of image processing technology that could improve highlight recovery, shadow detail, low light performance, and the way the camera handles moving subjects. The exact implementation remains unclear, but the direction makes sense because modern cameras rely almost as much on computation as they do on optics and sensor hardware. A great sensor gives DJI more information to work with, but smarter processing determines how effectively that information is turned into usable footage. Better algorithms could preserve more detail in bright skies instead of blowing them out, reduce noise in darker parts of the frame, improve color consistency, and help keep moving subjects looking sharp. For creators who do not want to spend hours correcting footage in post-production, stronger processing could mean clips that look more polished immediately after they come off the memory card. Then we get a battery life, which might be one of the most important areas of the entire upgrade because almost every drone pilot eventually runs into the same problem. The shot is finally coming together just as the battery warning appears. The rumors here are much less consistent. Some reports have mentioned flight times approaching an extraordinary 60 minutes, but for a drone expected to remain below 249 grams, that figure sounds extremely ambitious. Other estimates put the Mini 6 Pro closer to roughly 40 minutes, and even that would be a meaningful improvement if DJI can deliver it under realistic flight conditions. A few additional minutes in the air can make a surprisingly large difference because it gives creators more time to scout a location, compose a shot, repeat a movement, and deal with unexpected wind without immediately thinking about returning home. DJI could potentially achieve those gains through higher density battery cells that store more energy without dramatically increasing weight. There are also rumors of lighter and stronger materials being used throughout the aircraft, which allow DJI to save grams in the frame and redistribute some of that weight budget toward the battery, camera, or sensors. Charging may receive attention as well. Longer endurance is useful, but anyone who flies regularly knows that battery turnaround can be just as important. A redesigned charging hub with faster charging could make a major difference on travel days, commercial shoots, or long outdoor sessions where you are constantly rotating through multiple batteries. The challenge, of course, is that every one of these improvements competes for the same incredibly limited amount of space and weight. A larger camera module adds grams. Additional optical sensors add grams. More advanced cooling takes up room. A higher capacity battery adds weight. Stronger transmission hardware consumes power. DJI has to balance all those components with almost obsessive precision if it wants to maintain the Mini's signature lightweight design. And hardware may only be half of the story, because the Mini 6 Pro could also become considerably smarter when following people and moving objects. DJI's active track system is already one of the reasons solo creators are able to capture shots that once required another pilot, but the next version could reportedly move toward predictive tracking. Instead of simply responding to where a subject is visible at any given moment, the drone could attempt to understand where that subject is likely to move next. Imagine you're riding a mountain bike along a trail and disappear behind a group of trees for a few seconds. A conventional tracking system might lose visual contact and then have to search for you again once you reappear. A more predictive system could potentially analyze your direction, speed, and trajectory before you disappear and anticipate where you are likely to emerge. that will allow the aircraft to maintain better framing and recover the subject more naturally. For creators working alone, that could be enormously useful. Whether you are running, cycling, skiing, hiking, driving, or filming outdoor content without a dedicated camera operator, smarter subject tracking could turn shots that currently feel risky or inconsistent into something much easier to capture. Obstacle avoidance may be receiving a similar intelligence upgrade, particularly when light conditions begin to deteriorate. Camera-based obstacle systems can work extremely well during the day, but they become less reliable as the environment gets darker and visual contrast disappears. Some rumors suggest DJI could introduce improved depth sensing technology to help the Mini 6 Pro identify obstacles under conditions where ordinary vision sensors begin to struggle. That may not sound as glamorous as 6K video or a 1-inch stack sensor, but in practical terms, it could be one of the most valuable upgrades DJI makes. A drone hitting a branch, wall, cable, or tree can cost hundreds of dollars, and sometimes the lost footage is even more painful than the damaged aircraft. Improved sensing around sunset, in shaded forests, or in lower light environments could give pilots considerably more confidence and allow autonomous tracking features to operate in situations where people would currently be nervous about trusting them. Transmission technology could also move forward, and the real advantage may not simply be an even larger maximum range. Range specifications make great headlines, but most pilots benefit more from having a stable and reliable connection at normal distances. Busy urban environments can be filled with Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth devices, radio traffic, and other sources of interference that make drone transmission less predictable. A stronger transmission system could help maintain a cleaner live feed, reduce sudden interruptions, and give pilots more confidence that the controls will remain responsive even when the surrounding radio environment is crowded. If you regularly fly near cities, events, buildings, or other electronically busy locations, improved connection stability could matter far more than being able to fly another kilometer away. Smaller refinements may also appear throughout the overall design, including changes to the folding mechanism and possibly a brighter screen on controller. Those features would never receive the same attention as a new camera sensor, but small usability improvements can determine whether a drone feels polished after months of ownership. A folding system that opens more naturally, stronger hinges, easier battery installation, a brighter controller display that remains visible in direct sunlight, or more intuitive controls can all make the aircraft less frustrating to use every single day. But there is one part of the Mini 6 Pro story that could end up matching more than every sensor, processor, or camera specification combined, and that is availability. DJI has been dealing with increasing regulatory pressure in the United States, and that creates uncertainty around how future products may reach American customers. For buyers in the U.S., the biggest question may eventually become less about when the Mini 6 Pro launches and more about whether it can be purchased easily through the usual channels when it does. That uncertainty could have a major impact on a rollout. Even if DJI produces an exceptional drone, pricing could also push the Mini further into premium territory. Current speculation suggests the standard Mini 6 Pro could arrive somewhere around $999, while Fly More Style package with additional batteries, charging accessories, and other extras could potentially land between roughly $1,299 and $1,499, depending on the final configuration. That is a significant amount of money for something carrying the Mini name, and it would place this aircraft much closer to professional equipment than entry-level consumer drones. But whether that price feels excessive depends entirely on what DJI actually delivers. If the final product combines a stacked 1-inch class sensor, 6K recording, a true mechanical variable aperture, smarter predictive tracking, stronger low-light obstacle detection, longer endurance, improved transmission, and all of that while remaining in an ultra-portable sub 249-gram package, then creators may see it very differently. At that point, you would not simply be paying for a tiny drone. You would be paying for a highly portable aerial camera capable of replacing much larger equipment in many situations. And for travelers, filmmakers, YouTubers, and solo creators, that portability could be worth a significant premium. Of course, everything we have discussed is still based on leaks, rumors, and early reports rather than an official DJI announcement. Specifications can change. Technologies tested during development can disappear before production, and some of the most exciting features may never make it into the final aircraft. But even if DJI delivers only par what is currently being rumored, the Mini 6 Pro could still become one of the most capable compact drones a company has ever produced. What makes this generation especially interesting is that DJI does not appear to be targeting only one obvious improvement. Instead of simply increasing camera resolution or adding a few minutes of flight time, the company could be trying to upgrade the entire experience at once. Better imaging, more flexible exposure control, smarter automation, safer flying, stronger connectivity, longer endurance, and easier everyday operation. That is what could make the Mini 6 Pro feel like a genuine generational jump rather than another predictable refresh. So, which rumored feature will make the biggest difference for you? The stack sensor, 6K recording, mechanical variable aperture, predictive tracking, better obstacle avoidance, or longer flight time? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to keep up with the latest developments surrounding DJI's next compact drone, make sure you are subscribed, because if even a portion of these rumors becomes reality, the Mini 6 Pro could turn into something very special. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.